today on Science with Dee, we are going to make some rainbow bubbles. Remember our chemical reaction from last time? We used baking soda and vinegar. This time, we're going to add some food coloring, and we're going to make some multicolored bubbles. For today's experiment, we're going to need a tray, baking soda and vinegar, some food coloring, a pipette, and if you don't have a pipette, you could also use a straw too. Now let's get to the experiment. First, you're going to fill the bottom of your tray full with baking soda. Next, you're going to put some drops of food coloring in your tray. So you're going to put drops all over your tray of food coloring. Now that we have our food coloring on, now we're going to add some vinegar. We're going to pipette it. If you don't have a pipette, you could use a straw. Just place your finger on top of the straw, and it'll hold up some liquid, and then just let go. Okay. Whoa, look at it. It's amazing. Bubbles are forming. Whoa. Cool. Using a pipette is just one method. There's more than one way to do it. You could also just pour it in to get an instant reaction. Whoa, isn't this amazing? It's a chemical reaction in action. Whoa. Wasn't that amazing? It was so beautiful. Make your own at home and have fun learning. Bye.